Double celebration ng party dito ng kaibigan namin at saka ng anak niya.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoos! For today's vlog, kami ngayon ay papunta sa Mosaico ulit kasi pipick upin naman namin yung mga tiles para sa aming living area for the whole house. Hindi ko muna ipapakita sa inyo kung ano yung napili namin.
Awin tayo, Ali.
Hindi muna namin sa inyo papakita yung aming napili, but ayun, ito na, papunta na tayo sa Mosaico. Papakita ko sa inyo kung saan ko binili. Siyempre doon ulit. Let's do this!
Whatever you do, don't forget me, 'cause you never left.
Just made it to Shangri-La, so we need to pick up a gift for the birthday boy before we pick up the kids.
Guys, we already done in at Shangri-La. Di ba, nakuha na namin yung car. Medyo we are running late kasi late namin nakuha yung kotse from the valley dahil medyo busy, maraming tao. And now, na-pick up na namin ang mga bata kasi pupunta kami sa party. Double celebration ng party dito ng kaibigan namin at saka ng anak niya. Dumaan kami ng Siang kasi bumili nga kami ng regalo. And now, we're off there. For some reason, Sunday ngayon, pero ang traffic. Parang hindi kami sanay na nata-traffic at this day kasi usually pag Sunday di pa maluwag ang kalsada. Anyways, okay lang naman. Mga mag 1 hour na kaming late. Pero ang lapit lang nito from the Hilton eh. It's like 14 minutes going there. Pero medyo pa-stop-stop. Pero malapit na kami. So we'll show you the birthday party of our friend. Kung ano man yung abutan namin doon. Yeah.
Something's in the air, I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, people, let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down. And now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and when you feel
Zoobs! Good evening! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Balur. Sa bahay, hindi ito bahay. So ngayon, nakikita niyo ba? Ang sipag ni King, oh, daddy. Niligpit niya. Bakit galit-galitan ka dyan? Teka lang! May. Akala mo hindi ka uwi?
No.
What?
I don't know.
King is not feeling it kasi may papakita ako sa'yo.
I'm gonna show it quickly. Yeah, I heard you talking about it already.
Oh,
Kailan?
so you're not surprised? What? We didn't talk about it.
Yes.
Ano pinag...
You said it arrived in the car. You were talking about it with Tita Sally.
Ano sinabi ko kay Tita Sa?
You said it's only specifically for her, I think.
Yeah, pero hindi pa namin nakukuha. Kakakuha
We
lang
just got it
namin.
now.
Yeah, but I heard you guys
Mali
talking
yung
about
chismis mo. Muntik nang hindi umabot. Ito ay DSWD travel card ni King with Tita Sammy. Kasi from the Philippines, since minor siya, hindi siya pwedeng mag-travel alone. And we've been waiting for this para maka-fly si King. And you have a ticket!
Yay.
Act surprise? I'm sure alam mo na may ticket ka, no?
Yeah.
Oo, kasi nabili yung laptop niya eh. So, King is going home on February 5. Hindi ka na-miss us?
Yeah.
Bakit nagtatampo kayo? Nagsusun lang kayo magtiklop ng damit.
Hindi mo na tatanong.
Ano lang? Ano? Ano yun? You're gonna miss us. Doing the laundry, the tiklop.
I'm gonna do it now anyway.
So, ayan. Yun lang. Check it out. You have to laminate that, kuya, ha?
I don't know.
Pa-laminate kayo. Hindi, I'll give it to Tita Sammy.
Sige.
Para it's safe. Kasi it has her name. Kayo?
Oh, King's going home.
Oh, paano yan?
Yay!
Kuya King is going home na to Australia.
No!
Kasabay na siya ni Tita Sam at saka ni Ola. You have Kuya King. He's gonna go home soon. Oh,
You're gonna miss Coco.
he's gonna always call you. Thank you pala kay Carson kasi in-invite nila kami sa birthday.
Yeah, I planned the birthday.
Yeah, nag-bowling ka?
Yes.
Yeah.
I was bowling all the time. I did it by myself.
Yeah, also.
Si
I
Lele.
rolled it.
Si-
Yeah, si Lele din.
She played 2 games by herself.
I roll.
Yeah.
Mamaya masakit ang inyong mga hands at arms.
Hindi masakit.
Hindi masakit.
Oh,
Sakit yan?
hindi.
Hindi.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching the vlog. We really appreciate you as always. But this is the end for today. Just want to wish Carson a happy birthday, and of course to his son Merrick. And if you saw there, guys, at the party, most of the people there are actually from Bigo. So Bigo is a live streaming app, and we've had an agency there for some years now. And most of the people that were there are actually our past hosts. Some of them went on to go back to work and go back into doing their showbiz commitments. Some ended up in relationships and they're still going, which is great. But it's just always nice to see everybody in one place because they all hold a special part in our lives. And if you guys want to become a live streamer and you want to become a live streamer under our agency, you can message us below, or you can message our official page on Instagram or Facebook under DKSA Family. So we're one of the top agencies in the Philippines, and we have been since I think 2020 maybe, parang ganun, or 2019 ata. But basta, it's been a long time, and we are always looking for new hosts and fresh faces. So if you think you have what it takes, make sure you download Bigo and let us know and hit us up on our pages. But anyway, guys, this is the end of another vlog. We hope to see you tomorrow once again for another exciting vlog, and have a good night.